Happy Teardown Thursday. This week we're talking about a lead magnet that is used by a tech giant to bring in new leads for their business every single day. If you've been watching any of my lead magnet teardowns for the last couple of weeks, you might be starting to see a trend, and this lead magnet is no different. Today we're talking about Shopify's AI business name generator. So yes, this is a lead magnet that a SaaS is using. And yes, this is another tool that a tech company, a major tech company, is using to bring in lots of leads. Once again, you can do this for whatever type of business you have. You're just going to have to improvise a little bit and get this done. So if the masses are telling you that you need to create some type of tool to get people into your business as a lead, then maybe you should follow suit. And I'm gonna go ahead and take you in on the back end just so you can see exactly how Shopify is doing this and how you can implement this for your business. Once again, I do these lead magnet teardowns every single Thursday. A majority of these teardowns are from major companies. Actually, all of the teardowns I've done so far are from major companies. If you want a lead magnet teardown for your business, let me know down in the comments. We can connect. I can go ahead and review your lead magnet. I can review your funnel, and I can have you on the show and giving you a couple of pointers on how to actually make your lead magnet better so you can convert more leads and get more customers for your business. But let's go ahead and jump into Shopify's landing page for their AI business name generator so you can see exactly how this works. All right, so here we are on Shopify's landing page for their AI business name generator. And as I mentioned before in the intro, and as I've mentioned in several of my videos now, that you can emulate the same thing that these big companies are doing by setting up an automation in make.com and using something like ChatGPT or Claude to actually have that output response for you. So basically what they're doing here is they are giving you ideas for business names for your Shopify store, right? They're not saying that this is a business name generator for your Shopify store, but it is definitely implied simply because after you put in your information, you can claim that domain and therefore you can start working with that domain. So let's go ahead and look at this. So this is very simple, very nice layout. I really do like the way it looks. It looks modern. It's easy to read, it's easy to use. So basically, it's putting in your information about your business. So please tell us about your business, industry, brand personality, etc. And they also have a couple things down here. If you're not quite sure where to start, they're giving you ideas here with different types of industries. So going on down, just more information about how to actually name your business. So number one, we search, to select, 3, sell. And just like I said, right here, they are leading you directly into Shopify to start a trial to actually use the name that you created here. So this is a lot of information on this landing page about this naming generator, which is good. This is just giving you information about names and how to name your store and what makes Shopify merchant names successful. Okay, so we have information here specifically for Shopify on how to actually name your store. And then more information on browsing your business name by industry. And last but not least, it looks like we have the frequently asked questions, which I always think frequently asked questions are really good to put on a landing page because, you might convert somebody because you had the right answer to a question here that maybe they were thinking about, but they're not going to go through the trouble of sending a support ticket or an email or whatever else. All right, so let's go back up to the actual tool itself. And what I actually want to do first is I actually really want to click one of these buttons. So I'm going to click one of these buttons and see exactly what happens if I do. And so it's just putting in that word into the search bar. And so, okay, here are some names we think you might like. And so didn't give it much information except for home. So I could be an architect, I can be an interior designer, whatever it may be. And you can click on whatever you like from here, okay? So villa, I mean, that's a really common name for a home. So let's see what happens when we get to name. Okay, so as you can see, they give you naming ideas and you click and then it pops up immediately for you to start your 3-day trial with Shopify. This is classic. This is something that is used by a lot of SaaS companies. And I will tell you, just straight up honest, Magnetify launched a few months ago, and we are working on this exact type of lead magnet strategy. Basically, we're giving away a free tool, and people click to get access to that tool, and then they will be directed to sign up for a trial of Magnetify. So the big companies are doing it, so why can't I? Why can't you if you have a SaaS company? If you have a different type of company, we may have to change some things around, but these things can be used across different industries, right? So I have gone over a lot of different lead magnets in the past few weeks, and maybe it's not exactly how your business is set up. Maybe it's not the exact same industry, or if it's not a SaaS, maybe you have a brick and mortar business or whatever it may be. You can still apply these lead magnet strategies to your business. You just need to know exactly what your customer is looking for in order to apply these same strategies. So I'm going to back out of this because I actually want to type something in and see if it gives me a little bit more information. So as an example, we'll say an AI automation agency that focuses on lead magnets. How's that? All right, look at this. So we have some lead magnet type of names, which, you know, some of these are good. Magnetize with AI, so that's close to Magnetify, right? What else do we have? Sculpt. I don't really think that fits. Optilead, magnetize your leads. Magneto, okay. All right. So, I mean, it will give you a little bit more information if you have more information about your business and the type of shop that you want to actually start. But this is pretty cool. So let me go over to my notes just to go over a few things that you can actually implement with your business and, you know, emulate how Shopify is doing this. And I've already told you, yes, you can make this tool and make using ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, whatever. But let's go over a couple things of why this type of lead magnet works really well for Shopify getting in new leads. Okay, so this AI business name generator offers name generation for your business, for your new shop, in less than 10 seconds. So it's wonderful. We've got speed here. You get a lot of different options here, and every single button is going to lead you to that trial. Okay, so it works because you get fast results. So you don't have to wait on an email in order to get your report. You don't have to wait on that email coming and then you opening the report and then you're reading through it, or that email coming and you lose it and you never think about it again. You get your results right here, right now. Another thing is that it solves a universal pain point. Okay, so if you were in business, if you were thinking about business, you have to actually come up with a business name at some point in time. Or if you're creating new products, you are creating names for your products. You know, I know that's always been a pain point for me, is when I come up with new products, what is going to be the name of the product? So coming up with business names is just as bad. It's probably even worse. So with Studio 822, I took part of, you know, my daughter's birthday, and incorporated that into that name. So that's where that name came from. And I have a lot of people that actually ask me about Studio 822. That's where it comes from. As far as Magnetify is concerned, I actually did ask AI for some suggestions. It did not quite come up with Magnetify. It came up with something similar. And then I found Magnetify after, doing some searching. So that's how I came up with Magnetify. So it's still kind of the same thing. I use Perplexity, I believe, when I was going through my research phase for Magnetify. So this is going to solve a universal pain point if you're coming up with a business name, if you need to come up with that business name. Okay, and then the next thing is, I've already touched on this, the next thing is that it is a seamless funnel integration, meaning the minute that we click on one of these names, it's going to bring us to a pop-up that says, hey, go ahead and start your free trial. Grab this domain, go ahead and start your free trial with Shopify so you can create your store with that name you just chose. So seamless. Okay, so what can you steal? So you can steal focusing on problems that every entrepreneur faces. So it may not be a business name, but every entrepreneur goes through similar challenges like naming, number one, planning, pricing, coming up with new products. So this is something that you can do rather than coming up with niche specific issues, okay? So we are talking about Shopify, which is the e-commerce site. They are not only coming up with e-commerce names, they are coming up with business names that just so happen to be e-commerce related because they are an e-commerce platform. Do you understand what I'm saying here? All right, so the next thing is creating speed as a feature. I said that we go ahead and put in our information here. We're not waiting on an email to get a report. It is popping up immediately. So if you can do something like that with your tool, that would be wonderful. The next thing is building micro commitment ladders, okay? So this is starting very simple. You are putting in information about your business. They find the business name after you come up with all of these different options, and you click on it, and then it is going to ask you for that trial. So these are very micro commitments. At this point, you're not putting in any of your information until you decide to sign up for that free trial. Last but not least, the numbers, okay? So I like giving numbers when I can find numbers. If I can't find numbers, I won't give them, obviously. So we don't have any specific conversion data provided. On a lot of these big lead magnets, we are not going to have that. So like I said, if you want your lead magnet broken down and on a teardown Thursday, contact me, let me know down below, and I will actually do an audit of your lead magnet for you, okay? And at that point, we can probably get some numbers, and I can go over everything with you and see how we can get that number higher as far as conversion is concerned. Okay, so the tool connects directly to Shopify's domain marketplace and the 3-day trial. So I did show you that. Once we go ahead and click on something, it's going to take us to a pop-up for that trial. And so this is indicating that there's a strong integration with their core business model. So the core business model of any SaaS is to get new customers coming in on a recurring basis. But to start, you have to get them to start in the beginning. So whether that is a free trial or whether that is a low cost trial. So as you can see right here, we have 3 days free and then 3 months for $1 a month. Okay, so maybe they'll get you for $3 total and you are trying Shopify for 90 days with your new business name. So the next thing is that Shopify, it simply took a name generation tool and transformed it into something much, much bigger, because I know that they are getting a lot of leads from this simple tool. So this type of tool is something that is easily searchable. So if you were to search like business name generator, I'm sure Shopify is pretty high up on the list. And therefore, they're probably getting a lot of traffic just from that search term or something similar to that search term. So they actually transformed a simple name generation tool into a powerful top of funnel lead magnet by positioning it as a critical first step in starting any business. And then they seamlessly guided users through their entire ecosystem from domain to store launch. Okay, so you're taking them from domain to store launch with Shopify. What is it that you can take them from with your specific business? Is it from template to trial? How exactly are you going to do this for your business? Let me know down in the comments if you're thinking about doing something like this for your business. Let me know what industry you're in. I'm curious to see what industry you're in to see if you are going to implement something like Shopify has done for their business. So with that being said, this is the conclusion of this week's Lead Magnet Teardown. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, please share with others, and I'll see you on the next video.